Do you need your own voice to be on an AI generated song? Just watch this video. First, make sure that you follow this account for unique videos in the future, and also make sure you like, comment and share. First go to Google and then type musicfi.lol, okay, and this is a link that you need to click, and just click it and then you will be able to see the website like this. Here you can see get started button, just click on it and then you will be able to log into the system, or maybe you can create a new account. Okay, cool. Actually, I got a Black Friday sale here, so I'm going to click on this upgrade today, and then I really think that it's better to get the premium version, starter version here. Okay, I will make it a purchase. Just remember, you don't need to buy any plans. You can use it for free. So make sure that you watch the full video, okay? I just purchased the starter plan because I just needed to do much better video of this website, okay? Let's see how we can do something better. Okay, great. Actually, I got the starter plan now. On this website, first you have to click on this convert voice. Then you can see select a voice here. Okay, so you can see some hundreds of royalty free voices. Just click on this plus icon. Then you can see there are a lot of voices that you can play with. And by the way, you can play here. So I'm not going to play for you, but I will sing. That's really cool. Just try it. Just try some voices there. By using Suno.com, actually I generated one song for kdj.lk, so you can see the verse and chorus here. So I'm going to download this one. So until then, actually I will play it. Then listen to that. Wow, this is a mastered version, huh? One. I'm going to use the arrow on here. Okay. Wait, that's that one. Yo. Okay. Download it. Now I'm going to upload this. So I can see it's uploaded. Okay, great. Okay, you got some actually some settings, set pitch and format shift. So I really think that I don't need to change the pitch here, but let's see then. And also there's a thing called remove instrumental, so I'm going to click on this, and so also remove reverbs and echo. So I think, should I remove that? I don't know, but I will click it, and then I will click on this generate button. Now I think I have to wait until whole process is finished. Okay, now let's see the magic here. Okay, wait. This is Aaron's version. Wow. Wow. You can download this. Okay, now let's see how we can apply my voice here. I don't know whether it will work or not, but just like experiment. So let's take it. So now I'm going to click on this my voices here because I just bought the starter version. Now I think I can create two voices here, and first I just need to click on this add new voice model, and then I have to upload something. Wait. Upload multiple voice files with different features for maximum accuracy in AI voice training. So what does that mean? Actually, you have to upload some voices, especially you have to sing in different features. If you know how to sing, actually just don't think about singing thing. Actually, you just have to sing whatever you know. Actually, just maybe you sing out, it doesn't matter. Actually, just sing in different pitches, different levels. Okay, just upload some clips. Okay, now let's try something. I don't know whether my native language will be supported for trainings, but I think it will get only the voices. Okay, so voices and patterns. So I really think it will support. So let's see, because I'm not good with English singing. Okay, that's why. දිවිය කඳුලින් තෙත්නුනේ ලතුනි ගල මුදුනේ ඇසුනි මට නුඹේ විලාපේ. Okay, the first one is uploaded now. Nane nana ane nane nana ane nana 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 nane nana la 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 la. I know you can't hear them. Through the dark, let me take you past our satellite. Okay, for now, actually, I just uploaded only 4 waves. Okay, wave means actually you can upload MP3s or waves. Okay, WAV. And then I will click on this next button here, and then you have to provide some information. Who are you, and actually what is the voice model, voice name, and select the genre. So let's select the genre as maybe I don't know what the genre is here, but I will say classical. Yeah, okay, I will say classical, and this is the male voice. Okay, and sample rate is 48k, and artist, select voice type artist, and I'm going to voice name, actually make this voice KD Cody V1. Okay, wait, KD, what I'm typing here. Okay, KD Cody V1. Okay, well, okay. And now I just have to go with the next button, and now I can see here preview. Okay, I don't know what is this, upload audio preview or drag and okay, that's like maybe I can upload a preview of the audio. That maybe I think that's not needed, but I will select the image preview here. Okay, I just selected an image, and then I will go with the next, and then I think I have to make it maybe public or private. I will make it private for now. Okay, if it's good, then I will surely make it public, and then I will make it confirmed. Now something is going here, that's called training. Okay, you know, AI training is a necessary part, because without that actually you won't be able to fetch your voice. Okay, so let's see until that's happening. Okay, I just had to wait few minutes, not few minutes, yeah, actually few minutes. Yes, okay. Now I'm going to click this use option here. Okay, I'm on my voices, and now I just used, actually I'm going to use it. I don't know how the sound of it, but this is just an experiment. Okay, so with my voice, let's see. I hope the result will be good. Now I'm going to upload the same audio of, I downloaded kdg.lk wave. So first I will listen it by opening. Anyways, that sounds cool, right? Yeah, really cool. By the way, now I'm going to click this, actually double click, and now it's uploading, I think, and I only remove instrumental. Okay, and advanced settings will be like the same, and click on the generate button. Now it's generating something. I hope the results will be good. Wait. So if you didn't like that, what happened to my hair? Okay, if you didn't like this video yet and comment this video, please do it, because really worth to have your comments on these videos. I really get satisfied with them. Thank you very much. Okay, wait, I will show you the result. It's working yet. Actually, if this worked, then I don't have to sing anymore, so I can make so many covers by my voice with some instruments and instrumental covers and like that. Blah, 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 blah. So this is the KD Chagodi version. Let's see. I think I need to train more. So this is not a actually failed thing. Okay, this is a 100% successful thing, because just make sure that you are happy with the video, because you have to train more, I think. Okay, I will definitely try this and will definitely update you in the future. Okay, not much more. Actually, I will definitely add you an update. How was that? Actually, I just thought that if I sing the same song again, and that would be great. Okay, we'll do that and we'll update you. So this is the video I really needed to do. Bye. Good luck. Prisha.